There's the football pitch. And here is my breakfast for the day. Don't know what this will be like. That noise you can hear is the building works that are currently going on at this hotel with the hotel partner. Croissant, juice, and warm bread. So I'm going to eat this before I go on adventure, or adventurise into Vlore, or Vlore. So just a short walk from my hotel room, and it's you get to the stadium of Flamutari. I believe they're a Division 2 team in Albania. Reminds me of FC Bournemouth, the colours. Here in Vlore is actually quite modern. A lot of sports shops like Sports Direct, soccer sports type of shops. Cafes. It's like a skate park or something, like a mini skate park here in Vlore. Yeah, it is. The street dogs are absolutely massive, mostly in Albania itself, but here in Vlore, like wolves roaming around. One thing's for certain here in Vlore, it's very cycle friendly. There's a lot of cycle lanes and paths in the city, so if you enjoy riding a bike to see the sights of a city, then this is your place. So even though Albania isn't even part of the EU are funding, or the first phase of this park was funded by the European Union. They've not really done a lot, have they? Maybe put some grass seed down and some gravel. So guys, because I'm from the Yorkshire coast in England, I wanted to head to the seaside towns of Albania. So Vlore was the first one I'm coming to. The second one is Vlore, which I'm actually travelling to tomorrow. But these are the scenes you get in Albania here in Vlore for the beaches. Now, while I'm filming this right now, it is actually winter time, so there isn't many tourists around. But I can imagine this being littered with people in the summer months, sunbathing, just like any other seaside resort in Europe. Beautiful. Very impressed with Albania so far, guys. Albania has such a vast coastline on its the western side of the country, which I'm stood right on right now. What we're going to do now, guys, is I'm going to head we'll start walking a bit further up on the beach, see what there is, see if there's anything worth filming, and then I'm going to head back into the main city of Vlora. I'm going to head back to the Adriatic restaurant. I might film it, I might not. Really enjoyed that food yesterday at the Adriatic restaurant. Really nice. I had three dishes. And you saw that, so I don't need to go over that again. But this coastline here in Vlore just stretches, it goes on and on and on, of nice golden beaches. So I think I might head back soon into the main city. I've never seen stabilising a tree like this, or like supporting it with a bungee rope. Even more construction work. The Albanians just seem to love building domes and things like that as well. So I mean, they're obviously building like another hotel or something here. But I don't know if you can see, there's like a big dome thing there, like a viewing point. So it just seems to me that they like to build pyramids, or well, maybe not pyramids because of the pyramid scheme that actually sparked the end of the reign of Enver Hoxha. But they do seem to like these domes for some reason, which is another interesting little aspect of the country. That is massive. Don't know what it is, but it must connect to a crane or something like that. So I've just been given the dreaded cow brain that Mr. Bald hated. It's actually quite nice with the lemon on it. Cow brain. See you in the next scene. Alright guys, so I'm back in my hotel room. I've not given you a tour of the hotel because of the work that's going on. I don't think it'd be very fair on the hotel actually that I showed you that. But I'm back, or we are back, where the vlog began. So that was my tour around Vlore, or Vlora. And we managed to walk around, walk on the beach, see what's around, and finish with some cow brain, which, from all that Mr. Bald has said, he said it was his least favourite meal in his video while he was here in Albania. To be honest, I could eat it again. I would order it again. It wasn't bad. It was like I said in the restaurant. It was just maybe like a soft chicken nugget, for instance. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next video, or on the road. So signing off.